Hi, this is Jess from Music Lounge. Today we will be learning about the notes and the rests. Let's get started. The notes tell us that we should play, and what the note looks like will tell us how long we should hold the note for. For example, a whole note tells us that we should hold playing the note for a total of 4 counts or 4 beats, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. A half note is equivalent to 2 beats each. In this instance, we need to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A quarter note is equivalent to 1 count or 1 beat each. Thus, it should be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The rests, on the other hand, tells us how long we should stop or pause when playing. A whole rest tells us that we should stop for 4 counts or 4 beats. A half rest tells us that we should stop or pause for 2 beats. And a quarter rest tells us that we should stop or pause for 1 beat. I hope you learned a lot from this video. This is Jess from Music Lounge. Thank you for watching.